There has been one candlestick that has made me over $100,000 trading, and I'm going to reveal it to you guys in this video. The best thing about this candlestick pattern is it appears day after day, and it appears on every single time frame, no matter if you're on the weekly or on the 1 minute time frame. All that I ask is if you guys could put away any distractions and pay full attention and definitely take some notes, because I'm gonna drop some bombs. And if you're new to my channel, I would consider hitting that subscribe button. I have a ton of valuable content based around trading. Also, if you guys could like this video, it really shows me that my content is valuable to you guys when you like this video. And also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm dropping daily content on there, and that is the best way to get in contact with me if you guys want to inquire about my one-on-one mentorship, or you just want to connect with me. Now, without further ado, let's get into my computer and let's make some money. Let's go into this secret candlestick pattern, and you guys may know about this if you've been following me for a while, but for all my new people, this is going to be a game changer for you. There is a candlestick called a spinning top, and it forms as a bullish spinning top and a bearish spinning top. Now let's go over this secret candlestick pattern that I have been dying to show you guys. And if you're new to my channel, you may not know about this candlestick pattern. I like to think that I was the one who invented this candlestick pattern, but it's probably been around for a while. I just renamed it as something that I like. So this pattern, I like to call it a spinning top. And it's like those toys that we used to play with as kids, where we'd have the little handle that we hold and we would spin it around on the ground, and it'd spin, 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 and then eventually fall over. That's the way that I look at this candle. So you can see in this blue circle right here, that is the spinning top. What we are looking for is a very long wick to the downside, or on the bottom of the candle if we're looking at a bullish spinning top, and a very small body, and then the top of the candle has a very small wick. Doesn't it look like one of those toys I was just talking about? So right here is a bullish spinning top. If I see one of these candles form within a higher low, this is giving me like 1000% certainty it's going to go up. And I'm going to explain exactly what this candle means to give you guys a lot more reference. Now, if you guys are smart, I would write this down. A lot of people in their trading, there's people that use like buy limits and sell limits, so I get it. But usually the way that I trade is off how a candle closes. So what's very important to do is you need to wait for that candle to expire. On TradingView, they have a little timer in the bottom right hand corner. They'll tell you how many minutes or seconds are left on a candle. Once the candle has about 3 seconds left, that's when I'm going to execute buy or sell. Because in 20 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, a lot can happen in that period of time. So you kind of want to be patient and just wait for the candle to close and make sure it closes exactly how you want it to close. This is a bullish spinning top, and if you guys want, take a screenshot of this page, and you can even go and like print it out so you can refer to it later. And I don't care if you guys crop my face out of the picture, 100% do it. Next one is a bearish spinning top. Now the body of this one is a little bit thicker, but that's okay. What we're overall looking for is for a bearish spinning top, we want the wick on the top to be longer than the wick on the bottom. So we can see the bottom wick is really long, or the top wick is really long, and the bottom wick is really small. If you see one of these candles, and here's something too. On my chart, I have this red line. That is the 66 EMA. Look at this one. It hits the blue line and the red line. So my blue line is the 20 EMA and the red line is the 66 EMA. If you see one of these candles wicking the EMAs like this and rejecting it, that's giving you way more confirmation. So if you guys want, pause this video, go to TradingView and add the 20 EMA to your chart and the 66 EMA. Okay? So we can see that it's wicking the 66 EMA right here, and then it pushes down. So now what I think we should do is go to a chart, and I'll show you in past time what these candlesticks look like on multiple pairs and on multiple time frames. Let's get to it. All right, we are on the S&P 500. I'm on the minute 15 time frame, and I'm going to just scroll back and look if I see any of these candles. I'm going to give you guys bombs. I always drop bombs in my videos. Indices like S&P 500, NAS 100, and US 30, guys. These indices have a time when they move the most. That time is 9:30 a.m. EST to around 10:30 a.m. EST. Within that 1 hour window is when we are going to see the biggest moves. So if you guys are following along, look at that time that I gave you. Look at the 9:15 to 9:30 candle. Look at the 9:30 to 9:45 a.m. candle. These are AM times, by the way. Look at the 9:45 to 10 a.m. candle. Look at the 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. candle. Look at all these candles and see if any of these candles are closing as a bullish or a bearish spinning top. So if I see a 9:15 to 9:30, a bearish spinning top close, and it's already in a downtrend, I'm like, okay, we are game, it's going to drop. So we can see that there are these little spinning tops right here, but we are in a downtrend, so I want to see a bearish spinning top form. Okay, here is a great depiction right here. We can see price, okay? Price pushes up to this high, hits this higher low. What do we see right here? We see a spinning top right here close. So ideally what we could do is buy in that higher low and expect price to go up to where this previous high right here. And that's exactly what it does. So that's what we're overall looking for, is setups like that. Let's see if we can find a couple more. And it's not always going to be present on every time frame. Like if we go to the 5 minute, we'll see it happen a lot more frequently. Here's a nice spinning top right here. The body is a little big, but overall what I'm looking for again, guys, is when I am looking for this setup, I want the wick right here on the bottom to be longer than the top. This is also, this is more so a hammerhead candle, but what I'm looking for is these long wicks to the downside. Let's go and see if we can see it on, okay, this is a great depiction right here. We have this bearish spinning top. The wick is longer than the wick on the top is longer than the wick on the bottom right here. So what we could see is prices coming down to form this lower low. We have this lower high. We could sell after this candle closes, have your stops right up here, and aim for your take profit right here. So let's say that we were going to take that trade. Let's see how it'd look. Let's say we're going to take a short right here. Stops, we could have it right above there. TP down here. Look at that. A 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Our TP is 5 times the size of our stop loss. This is what we want to see. So overall, when I'm looking at this candlestick pattern, I want to see a bearish spinning top close within a lower high. And I want to see a bullish spinning top close within a higher low. If I see that, that's going to give me a lot of confirmation. Now, let's go to a forex pair and let's look at it on a forex pair. So let's go to Euro USD. Okay, we could already see a spinning top right here. Spinning top right here. There's a lot of spinning tops on Euro USD. Bearish spinning top right here. Here's a nice spinning top right here right before the New York session opens up right here. They're all over the place, guys. Here's a nice one right here. Spinning top right here. You guys, you want to be catching these spinning tops though before the move actually happens. Spinning top right here, then the market pushes up like crazy. I think that was CPI right there. Spinning top right here. Spinning top right here. So what I would do is I would go through your charts more so on indices, and I would look at those key times that I gave you. If you guys take anything away from this video, take those key times that I gave you and go on the minute 15 time frame and look at the time. And also you have to look at it and say, do you know what? If the minute 15 time frame isn't giving me this setups, what you could do is, if you're trading in real time, is go to this box right here where it says select layout and click this one right here. And what you could do is you could have the minute 5 right here of NAS 100, and then you could have right here, what are we going to do? NAS 100, we can have the minute 15 time frame. So we can look at both time frames and be like, okay, well, oh, there's a spinning top right here on the minute 5, and it's forming this lower high, and the minute 15 time frame is already in a downtrend. So we're going to go short right here. This is a great short opportunity. Using multiple time frames in confluence is really going to be powerful because there might be setups that are occurring on the 5-minute that aren't on the minute 15 time frame. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and shoot me a message if you want one-on-one help. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.